Oh, and welcome back to NECN on Channel 5. Today we're going to talk to Joe Cassidy, a scientist researching about water troubles in Nigeria. Nigeria has a tropical climate and has a rainforest in the south which was once 170 miles wide, but trees have been cut down anyway. Hello Joe.
Hi Don, so when I was researching Nigeria, in which its capital is Abuja, there were many problems not just with the water but with sanitation too.
So tell me, what's happening with sanitation problems?
Over 30% of the people in the country don't have access to proper sanitation, but luckily, the government is trying to change that. Due to these statistics, 93 out of 1,000 babies die every year before the age of 1.
Wow, I never knew about that. So what else is happening in Nigeria? Is there more problems than just that?
Yes, main drinking spots are tributaries and sometimes wells. The tributaries connect to the Niger River, and some people have to walk 2 hours just to get their water for that day, and it's usually women or children.
Amazing. So I heard that there's been some oil spills in the Niger River.
Yes, and that can make people sick because it can spread across the river and into the tributaries.
Sorry, I'm going a little abrupt here, but what's the life expectancy, and if any, what are the diseases?
The life expectancy average for both men and women is 47 years old. There are many diseases that spread through water contamination. One is called schistosomiasis, which is a worm that releases larvae and it penetrates the skin. The other is called leptospirosis and is water, food, or soil contaminated by pet urine.
So what jobs do people have in Nigeria?
Most people work in agricultural jobs.
So has anything happened to end some of these problems?
Well, there is one I can remember. WaterAid has completed latrines in over 60 villages there.
So how can we help?
You can donate money to WaterAid to collect money to buy materials for latrines, or you could donate on World Water Day on March 22nd.
Well, that's all the time we have. Thank you very much for coming.
My pleasure.